garden friends, welcome to another episode of AJ's Green Thumb. So this is some old footage right on the heels of me planting up that herb garden. So on this bed, which is a 4x8, I have this pear tree that's healed in, and there are all of the David Austin roses behind that, along with a lot of the perennials that I pulled out. So in this bed here, the 3x8, I am clearing it out, from all of the perennials. And I'm going to go ahead and plant up all my cool season greens. So I really need to hurry up and get these perennials in the ground. I've been nurturing them for the past 2.5, 3 weeks. This area is a mess. And if I'm to put any vegetables in these beds, I need to clean this area up. I need better access. I need better airflow. I got all this cardboard right here, which I plan to relocate to another area in the garden. So here in the 3x8, I'm just, fluffing up the upper layer of the topsoil. And I'm going to go ahead and follow up with some, this right here is worm castings. Mix that in. And then I'll put a little bit of plant tone. That's all I have right now. I plan on using my biotone for planting larger shrubs and plants in the landscape. Oh, and these two alliums right here popped up. Unbeknownst to me, must have been a squirrel or something that dug it up elsewhere and put it in that bed. So I just decided to leave it. So here are my cool season greens, starting with the Toscano kale, also known as dinosaur or lacinato kale. I got several starts. I even got a flat right here of 6. Desperately needed to be planted. So we're just going to go ahead and pop these babies in. Pop them in. Simple dig. No more than 3 to 4 inches deep, not even that much, and just tuck them in. Now, I am planting them relatively close, but that's fine because I'm not going to be eating off of them that much longer because temps are starting to rise. We've been getting sporadic days where it's upper 70s and low 80s, so these will all teeter out pretty soon. But I will go ahead and, make some stir fry or some salads or what have you. These are the mustard greens. And these mustards really took off. I think I'm going to have to plant a lot more mustard greens because I really like how they taste. I'm really digging them. So we're going to go ahead and tuck these guys in. And following up with the spinach, which is the Giant Noble variety. Giant Noble variety is delicious, in my opinion. And they get pretty big. I'm going to plant these all relatively close. And that's fine. So what's going next in this bed will be all my peppers, which I'm nursing right now. I got to pot all my peppers up. I got a lot of hot peppers this year. And in the adjacent bed, I'm going to put all my tomatoes in. So, all right, guys, just enjoy the rest of the video. And thanks for stopping by. And I'll see you in the next one. AJ's Green Thumb.